The Mars Attack DVD contains a short but quite fun Easter egg. Here's how to find it. From the main menu, go to Language. Now, select Martian. Instead of getting a Martian voiceover of the film, you'll see a static image and a short message.
Dark is the swathe that mows like a harvest.
Now, it's not the most impressive piece of hidden content, but it is interesting. You see, Mars Attacks was part of the first wave of American DVD releases in 1997, so there's a good chance that this is the first ever DVD Easter egg. If you know of an earlier DVD with hidden content, let me know in the comments. There's a hidden trailer on the Alien 3 DVD which is well worth fans of the film seeking out. Now, the DVD does include a theatrical trailer. However, when you select it, you'll find that it's actually the teaser trailer that basically just gives the release date of the film. The hidden trailer is much more interesting. To find it, go to Special Features. Now select the Making of documentary, which incidentally is absolutely incredible. Now when the documentary ends, wait. After a period of nothing, the hidden trailer will start. This trailer seems to have been more based on the assembly cut version of the film rather than the theatrical release. My favourite part of the trailer is the really clumsy bit of dubbing. In the film, there's a scene where one of the very British inmates says this.
Thing is really pissed off!
However, on this trailer, there's an American voice that says this.
This thing is really ticked off!
Well, as we know, the xenomorph is well known for being, quote, ticked off. The DVD of Big Fish contains a hidden video. Here's how to find it. From the main menu, press your right button until the fish icon appears above Special Features. Now, push your up button and the image will disappear. Push up again and a red star will appear on the top hat above the tree. Press your enter button for a video of Tim Burton racing towards you in a golf cart covered in rockets. There's only one Easter egg on the Italian Job DVD, but if you're a fan of Seth Green, it's well worth seeking out. Here's how to find it. First of all, go to Special Features. Now, make sure the top title on this screen is highlighted. Now you need to press left on your remote control. This is going to make a Mini Cooper appear at the top of the screen. Press enter and you'll get a 6-minute outtake reel of Seth Green doing impressions of the other members of the cast. There are 3 hidden Easter eggs across the Toy Story 2 double disc set. Here's how to find them. First, insert disc 1. From the setup menu, highlight Return to Film. Press left to select the Ohio Art logo in the top left corner. Press enter and for some reason you'll see the copyright screen for the Etch-a-Sketch. Bit unusual this one, I don't know why they hid it away, I'm guessing there was some sort of legal liability to show this information. Now for some decent Easter eggs. Insert disc 2. Go to the behind the scenes menu. Then select Publicity. Now highlight any option you like and press left. This is going to select Woody's Sheriff's Badge. Press enter and you'll get a clip of Woody playing baseball. Now for the third Easter egg. From the main menu, highlight any option. Now press right and this will select Woody's Sheriff's Badge again. Press enter and you'll get an alternative Jessie song sequence with a short intro from John Lasseter. The Alien Double Disc Edition hides 2 Easter eggs, and unusually they're not videos, they're data files. Here's how to find them. Easter egg 1. Go to Special Features. Now go down to Main Menu. Now press down again. This is going to make a hidden acid hole in the floor appear. Press enter. This unlocks an in-depth analysis of the alien life cycle, from egg, chestburster to alien. The first thing you will notice is a warning saying not to read the files until you have watched the Nostromo flight logs. This of course means watch the film first as the files contain big fat spoilers. Now for Easter egg 2. From the main menu, highlight Special Features. Now press left. This will highlight a window on the left hand side of the page. Press enter and you'll be given access to information about the entire Nostromo crew, including their names, date of birth and CVs. Peak Geek Info. This Ali G DVD contains just one Easter egg, but it's definitely worth finding. It reveals an early version of one of Sacha Baron Cohen's most famous characters. Here's how to find it. From the main menu, highlight Play All. Now press up on your remote. This will highlight the G in Ali G and instantly start playing the hidden video. The clip shows an early version of Bruno visiting a hardcore punk festival back in 1999. What's really interesting is how different Bruno looks compared to later appearances. Now, even though Bruno didn't appear in Ali G until 2003, the character is actually older than both Ali G and Borat. Bruno originally appeared on the UK's Paramount channel, hosting a spoof fashion show called Funk Off. If you know where to look, you can still find the clips online, and they're well worth watching. It's fascinating seeing a much younger Sacha Baron Cohen struggling with his fake Austrian accent. It's a sort of Cockney Austrian.
We just want to say it was a great show, really good to meet you.
Hi.
Tell us, what was the idea behind all the designs?
The Sideways DVD contains 3 hidden Easter eggs, and one of them is seriously worth your time. Here's how to find them. Starting with Easter egg 1. From the main menu, go to Scene Selections. Now, choose scenes 13 to 16. Highlight scene 15. Now, press left on your remote. This will reveal a hidden red wine bottle. Press enter, and you'll unlock a 3-minute slideshow complete with music showing behind the scene moments from the making of Sideways. Now for Easter egg 2. Head over to the language selection menu. Now, grab your remote and type in 2, then 27. This will unlock a hidden gag reel, packed with outtakes and on-set pranks that you won't find anywhere else on the disc. Finally, Easter egg 3. Go to the deleted scenes menu. Once you're there, enter 2, then 10. This unlocks a much longer hidden feature, a behind-the-scenes style spoof following a studio runner trying to expose the wild spending and partying during production. The Not Another Teen Movie DVD contains 2 Easter eggs. One is very sweet, and the other is disgusting. Here's how to find them. First, the sweet Easter egg. Go to Special Features, then head to the second Special Features page. Now select Theatrical Trailers. On this screen, highlight Special Features, then press right. This will make a navel piercing appear on the menu. Press enter. This unlocks a hidden clip showing actor Nathan West proposing to fellow actor Shia Lee on set. She said yes, and they're still married to this day. Aww. Now for the gross one. Go back to the main menu and select Scene Selection. Make sure the duck on scenes 1 to 4 is highlighted. Now press down. This will highlight a set of lips on the big fella's backside. Press enter and you'll unlock the full, unedited version of that kiss. You know the one, and it goes on and on and on for a painfully long and stringy 4.5 minutes. The Monsters Inc. Double Disc Edition contains 3 excellent DVD Easter eggs, with some differences between the UK and the US versions. Let's go find them. Starting with Easter egg 1. From the main menu, select the Humans Only door. Now, choose the door labelled Pixar. Once you're on that menu, scroll down to the Monsters Inc. logo. Now press left. You'll see a trail appear around the paper plane. Press enter. This unlocks a clip of the Pixar team having a paper plane tournament. It's introduced by a poor-looking chimpanzee holding some Easter eggs. Now for Easter egg 2. Go back through the Humans Only door again. This time, select Production Tour. Watch this video all the way to the end. After the Pixar animators finish speaking, you'll be taken to a screen full of doors with no labels. Hidden behind many of these doors are extra videos that aren't listed anywhere on the cover, so explore and see what you can find. One of the videos specifically states it's an Easter egg and features our poor simian friend carrying eggs again. Now for Easter egg 3, and there's a difference between the UK and US versions of this. From the main menu, go through the Monsters Only door. Then highlight New Monster Adventures. Now press right to highlight the Monsters Inc. logo, and press enter. If you're using the UK version, you'll see the Monsters Inc. trailer, which is, okay, but it's not brilliant. But if you have the US version, you get something better. One of the animators introduces a series of animation clips featuring practical jokes by the team. Oh, and you also get the sad-looking monkey waddling about with some Easter eggs. My favourite of the clips is Sully wrapping Boo in a carpet and bowling her down the stairs. If you enjoy this sort of thing, then please consider following me, as I am loving sharing my collection with you.